Vanti with Qbic technology. We're invited to attend Facilities Show 2019 in London, and our flagship products are selected by the show organizers for Smart Building Expo.
So hi, I'm Chris Edwards. I'm the Event Director on Facilities Show and our newly launched Smart Buildings Expo. So this is our first foray into smart buildings and we're really happy with the way it's gone. We've got a number of exhibitors supplying technology from around the world, including Qbic, who joined us this year for our inaugural event. And we've got this fantastic feature where we're demonstrating integrated smart building technology. And what we've done, we've worked with Masters Integrators, Vanti, who have helped design and build this for us. And really the principle that we're trying to achieve is there are kind of two schools of thoughts when it comes to smart buildings. You can either go for one solution provider who will provide the entire ecosystem and all of the products that go within that, or actually you can go for a more bespoke kind of solution which involves taking lots of different bits of technology and plugging them together and integrating them. And what we're trying to demonstrate here is how fantastic the results can be when you do that properly. So if you look through this space, we've got some meeting spaces, we've got some Qbic technology demonstrated here on the wall, and all of that is plugged into technology from other providers and working in a seamless way that the user wouldn't realise that they're different products. We go around the space, we've got various different spaces that you'd find in any sort of workspace, but the brains of the whole operation is just through here. This is the Building Operations Centre where the facilities managers are most interested in what's going on. So the screen behind me is demonstrating a series of data outputs that are live and are working. So we can tell from that what the temperature is, we can tell how many people are in the space at any one time. We've got switches here where if you press the wrong switch, it will show up on the screen that something's broken, something's not working, and you know exactly where to go to fix it. We've got a window in the corner. You open the window, the air conditioning turns off. If you close the window, the air conditioning turns back on, and it's all registered on the screen behind us. So this has been a hugely popular feature for us at Facilities Show. I think on day one of the show we had over 400 people through this. It's day two now and we're close to 600, so one day to go, and hopefully we should have a similar turnout for that as well. So thanks to all the suppliers that have worked with us on making this happen. Next year we're going to make this bigger and better. We'll be looking to work just in the same way with people like Qbic. We hope to see you all next year. Thanks.
So hi, I'm Tom. I work for Vanti. I'm the head of our software team. So what we've done here is we've got a whole kind of integrated software platform, and we've used the Qbic touch panel technology, which has been fantastic. We've had a great time integrating with it. It's been really easy to use. We love the fact that we can just write a web app and it will just run on there. Previously we've used proprietary touch panels where you end up having to learn new languages and that kind of thing, which has been really difficult, but with Qbic we were able to quickly and easily integrate with them, which has been fantastic. We've got the desk booking touch panels, it's just small ones which you can walk up to, use your access card, book a desk. We've put raise and lower controls, the sit-stand desks on there, which has been really useful. We've got the bigger touch panels, which are great for meeting rooms. You can quickly see meeting room availability and that kind of thing. You can walk up to it, again, scan your card, book a room. You can also book a locker or a desk from the same touch panel. It's been great to have a huge range of flexibility and be able to just, really kind of bring a great user experience for people using the technology.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the directors at Vanti. We're a Masters Integrator based in Birmingham in the UK. We've been working with Qbic now for 6 months. They've been absolutely tremendous in helping us achieve the outcome here at the Smart Building Expo. Really amazing equipment to integrate with, and they've really thought about web-based standards. So the Smart Building Expo was really designed as a showcase for all of the product owners that were going to be at the facility show. So it gives people the ability to come and look at products in the context of a real working office environment. And it's been really well received. People have actually enjoyed coming in, walking through the space, understanding how they might use one of the Qbic touch panels to book a room or book a locker. We've got the desk booking system in there as well, so people can see the status of desks before they approach them. And we've even integrated it so that you can raise and lower the desks on the touch panel as well.
Hi, I'm Raj from Vanti. We're here at the Smart Building Expo. We've had a stand here as part of the Facilities Management Show where we've created a smart building experience, and primarily kind of focusing on showing different technologies that we use for offices and other kind of commercial environments such as retail and workplace. Really kind of focusing on having like a vendor agnostic space where we stitch lots and lots of different technologies together without being tied into a single proprietary solution, all about kind of open formats and all about integrating and working together with lots of different companies with lots of different technologies that all bring something to the party. And the plan is that we build a great user experience and a user journey through our smart through our smart building and through our smart workplaces, showing a variety of different products, and hopefully demonstrating to people what you can actually do in the real world with these things. Quite a lot we find at trade shows, people kind of just go and look at an individual component, and sometimes it's just helpful to have the holistic view and the holistic experience to understand exactly what your products do and exactly what they could do to kind of to improve things in your workplace. So we were really interested in a touch panel solution and a small kind of PC system that we could use. And the one problem that we've had is that we've worked with several vendors and several manufacturers, and many of them have got like good-looking products that were easy to install and reliable and robust. Many of those products we really struggled with because they came with a piece of software that said you're locked into our system and you can only use our thing. And that really didn't fit the ethos of what we're trying to do, but we also don't believe that it's the best way of delivering a good experience for people kind of longer term. So because longer term we don't want people to be tied into one piece of software or another, but actually the hardware kind of will likely live on for a lot longer. And so what we try to do is find people that are happy to work with us and people that are happy to be vendor agnostic and are happy to kind of work with any other software and kind of work with open protocols. So the really cool thing working with the Qbic products was the touch screens and the desk PCs. The form factor of them is great. The actual the units here, they've got real nice functionality in terms of the lights, the RFID readers, the NFC readers, etc. And the way that you program them is absolutely fantastic because it just works off web pages, which is exactly what we want. It's not normal that I give a product to my software development team and they come back to me and go, yes, we'll have this all day long, we will use as many of these as you can possibly sell, like this is the best thing we've seen. And they really do enjoy it, and they really do enjoy working with it, because most of the other stuff we give them, they have to change their way of working, but actually the thing that was great about the Qbic product is they use industry standard technologies and we can develop using industry standard web tech, which is everything we already do. So it was really easy for us to put this experience together. Actually we built it on site in 2 days, and we wouldn't have been able to do that without the Qbic stuff.